Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to change a fog light assembly that is from 1A Auto. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So we're going to take the undercarriage splash shield down that's attached to the bumper. 10mm socket. We're just going to go from one side, work our way over to the other. To remove the fog light, now we can put our hand up in here in this Phillips screw, that one mounting screw. I'm using a stubby screwdriver. You can back that screw out. Then you grab the fog light and pull it towards you this way. Undo the hinge part, take the light right out. Here we have our brand new fog light assembly from 1A Auto. This is for a 2013 Camry. And here's the factory one we just took out of the bumper. You can see they have the same 4 mounting spots. Turn ours around. Comes with an adjuster, just like that one. And we also supply the bulb and a vent for any moisture to come out. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Now we're going to put the new fog light up in. Pull down a little bit on the actual fender skirt underneath. You're going to put those 2 tabs in on the inner edge. Line those up. You're going to take these 2 tabs and line them up into these 2 holes, eyelet holes, and just put the fog light right up in place. Now I'm going to put the Phillips screw back in the mounting hole. Snug that right in. Put the shield part up underneath the bumper cover, lining up the actual mounting screws. All the way around.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.